Hello. I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to pop back in and show you the finish on this piece of minimal slow stitching. 7 pieces or less. This is the new challenge here for 2026. And I'm going to tell you it's difficult for me because, like I said, 7 is usually my minimum, not my maximum. So I'm having to put a lot of thought into placement, composition, weight, color, texture, all the different things that go into making a piece, a signature piece. And so I want it to look artsy on the artsy side. You know, I don't always achieve that well, but I try. And so I wanted to show you what I did here. Now I used this color scheme of threads, just 3 different threads that blended very well with this. And let me bring you down so you can see better. Okay. Now, what I did here was I just did an overcast stitch on some of these, like here along this piece, around here and here, just simple, nothing, 2 stitches here, this overcast and straight stitching, that's all that's on here. I did a little uneven stitching across here, a little curved stitching here. Now up here, I chose a couple of areas to follow, and I stitched with a different color, brown color here, and then this peachy color up into here. Stitched this top part to the background, but it's not heavily stitched, as you can see. All right, but it's stitched well enough that everything is down. And the stitching, because I color coordinated it to a degree, it doesn't, jump out at you. It still lets the beautiful colorization of this fabric come through without the stitching robbing everything from it. I've started going around the edge, and I'll finish that off just so that the piece does not fray anymore and it holds its shape that way, and I won't lose elements on the edges. So I'll finish that off, but I haven't yet. 1 French knot in the middle of this. I used the cream color on these elements just like I did here, because I wanted those elements to stay like they were without something fighting with them, like a different color thread. Okay. On this piece here, it was so colorful that I just used, the brown and whatever I had there, and it worked just fine. So I wanted to show you that finished, and also show you a project that I am going to be doing over on the Cozy Makers Club. The link to that is in the description of this video. I'll be working on this tote. Now this is a large piece, and I'm going to be embellishing the front side. I've got this much laid out that I'm going to be working with, and I will be working this through, and the video of it will be in the classroom over on the Cozy Makers Club. So just in case you're interested in following this or seeing what else we're doing over there, please check it out. Okay? All right. Until next time, let's all stay very scrap happy. And I'll be back with another minimalist collage. And I hope y'all are working along with me, because misery loves company, Until I get the hang of doing less is more, I will definitely need some company because, like I said, this is not easy for me. All right. Y'all stay scrap happy.